All right, I'm going to be doing a series of videos that have to do with arithmetic and geometric sequences, so expect those to be coming in the next couple of days. And it's just going to be talking about the difference between what is an arithmetic sequence, like we see here, versus what is a geometric sequence, which I'll show you in my next video. All right, so let me break it down for you real quick. Arithmetic just means we're going to have a common difference happening, meaning adding or subtracting values. So it looks like we're going from negative 19 to negative 11, then to negative 3. These numbers are getting bigger, right? So we are increasing some common value in between each and every term. And by the end of the series, you'll be able to look at this list, find your common difference like I'm going to show you in this video, and then I could ask you a question like, what would the 89th term be? So if you were to go first term, second term, third term, and 89 more, right? What would that value be? We can find that using algebra and a little bit of math. But for right now, let's just break it down and do the basics. How do we find a common difference? Common difference is found by taking your second term, and subtracting your first term from it. First term. So it's quite simple. It's just a matter of knowing how to subtract and add. All right. So second term, negative 11. I'm going to subtract my first term, which is negative 19. Make sure to put the negative values in parentheses because what that's going to show is we got double negatives here. And when we're subtracting a negative, what you're really doing is just adding. So negative 11 plus 19 is going to leave me with 8, and I have found my common difference. So when you're first starting with this stuff, one of the first expectations an algebra teacher is going to have is, can you find the common difference and provide us with it? So that's what we're learning in this video here. Same idea over here. Step 1, take that second term, subtract the first term. So we got negative 13 minus, in parentheses because it's a negative value, negative 18. Negative 13 minus a negative, what we're really doing is adding there. And what we're going to get when we take negative 13 plus 18 is 5. So we have a common difference in this sequence of 8. We are adding 8. This is a positive 8, so add 8, add 8, add 8. Plus 8, checks, plus 8, checks, plus 8. From negative 3 would put me at 5. So you can find the fourth term by just doing that. And again, remember, I will teach you in another video how to go way down the line, all the way to like an 89th term. Okay, same idea here. We found a common difference of 5, so we're increasing. It's a positive 5, so we're adding 5 each time. Negative 18 plus 5 would give me negative 13. Negative 13 plus 5 would give me negative 8. Negative 8 plus 5 is going to give me that negative 3. And you can just keep going and going and going. Now, if a teacher did ask you, can you find the 25th term? Are you going to want to have to list out 25 values? No, that would take forever. So stick with me. Show up when I post my next video. I'll teach you how to do that stuff. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.